Ki Khubor ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129-51198 or 96129-51298.
Ka jila Meghalaya, kadeka jila kabala kurku kerhai. Namar ka jing internet jang kamariang, bat ka jing bun ki jaka jingok kai. Bat kumjo ru ka jing ruspa hak culture kar Sorkar India kan shem ya ka sinjam bandang Kyntiew shushu haki bubun ki Liang. Habe keren megila pathai kubor u Union Minister badai pej ya ka tanat Jal Shakti u Dr. Raj Bhushan Chaudhary ulaong bala ithu ya ka jila Meghalaya kum ka wai na ki jila pa pawbha ha North East. Kumta don kam yaki kampenrai yakaba on sathe lingba ka Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti National Master Plan ban Kyntiew hakaba hidai bat surok bat kumju ru ban penbha halor ka kat ling soin na lor kiwei kimat ki balo penpau kalong ban penne pensa ekame maryang yakaba on le lingba ka National Green Mission bat ka Climate Resilient Agriculture Program bat kumju ru ha kalyang ka kam jungok ka perthai ha ka ba Sorkar Kmie haringkat bat ka jing trelang ba Sorkar jilla ki la ple pa ya ka Swadesh Darshan bat ka Prasad scheme.
The state of Meghalaya with its rich cultural heritage, unique landscape and vibrant communities hold a special place in our country. It is our firm belief that the growth of Meghalaya should not only be rapid but also inclusive, sustainable and in harmony with its environment. For that, our Honorable Prime Minister have launched so many projects to uplift the Himalayas development. Some of them are infrastructure development. Recognizing the strategic importance of Meghalaya in north-eastern region, the central government has prioritized infrastructure development under the Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti National Master Plan. We are working to enhance road connectivity, improve rail and air infrastructure and upgrade digital network. This will not only open up new avenues for trade and commerce, but also ensure that the benefit of development reach the remotest corners of the state. Now, the environmental sustainability. Meghalaya is blessed with natural resources, lush forest and abundant biodiversity. To preserve this ecological wealth, we are committed to promoting sustainable development practices through initiatives like National Green Mission and the Climate Resilient Agriculture Program. We are supporting the adoption of eco-friendly practices in agriculture, forestry and other sectors. Our focus is on creating a balance between development and conservation, ensuring that Meghalaya's natural beauty is preserved for future generations. For promotion of tourism, as we know, tourism is a key driver of economic growth in Meghalaya. To harness this potential, the central government, in collaboration with the state government, has launched several initiatives under the Swadesh Darshan and Prasad schemes. These initiatives aim to develop tourism circuit, improve infrastructure at tourist site and promote Meghalaya as a premier eco-tourism destinations. Our goal is to create sustainable tourism model that generate development, uplift local communities and preserve the cultural and natural heritage of the state. For empowering the youth and women, as we know, the youth and women of Meghalaya are the pillars of future. To empower them, we have rolled out various skill development programs under the Skill India Mission and Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushal Yojana. Special focus is being given to promoting entrepreneurship, particularly in the handloom, handicraft, agro-based industries. By fostering local talent and entrepreneurship, we aim to create sustainable local talent, sustainable livelihood, and enhance the socio-economic status of the state. For agriculture and rural development, as we know, agriculture remains the backbone of Meghalaya's economy. Through the National Mission of Sustainable Agriculture (NMSA) and PM Kisan scheme, we are providing financial support, technological assistance, and infrastructure to farmers. The introduction of organic farming practices and development of cold storage facilities are some of the steps being taken to ensure that Meghalaya's agriculture sector grows in a sustainable, resilient manner. It is committed to strengthening the Panchayati Raj institutions and promoting decentralization by empowering local bodies and ensuring transparency in governance. We aim to make the development process more inclusive and responsive to need of the people. And various other projects by central government are given to uplift the Meghalayas, like Amrit Sarovar Yojana under rural development scheme, PM KSY हर खेत को पानी 25 सेंटर है हमारे पास नेशनल हाइड्रोलिक प्रोजेक्ट में, जिससे कि हम लोग लेवल ऑफ वाटर को डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पर देखते हैं। और कल हमने यहाँ के जो भी और भी जो प्रोजेक्ट्स नेशनल सेंट्रली स्पॉन्सर्ड प्रोग्राम हैं डेवलपमेंट के, उसको भी हमने देखा, जिसमें बहुत सारे जो क्लस्टर, जिससे 44 का क्लस्टर था जिसमें टोटल कंप्लीटेड है, और दूसरा क्लस्टर जो 68 का था उसमें आउट ऑफ 68 58 क्लस्टर कंप्लीट हो गया है। जो 10 बचा हुआ है वो भी कंप्लीशन के फेज में है। और न्यू जो क्लस्टर है 75 का, उसमें 4 कंप्लीटेड है, अदर प्रोग्रेस में।